You can come down? It's difficult to kind of show you what's going on in my day sometimes because I need my hands to take care of this little guy. And I don't always have a place to set up the camera. Will you say hi to her? I know. You're a handful. The weather lately has been crazy. It just starts storming all of a sudden. And then it's sunny again. You. Good morning.
Okay.
We gotta go do some laundry. Let's go. Vroom, vroom. Every kid's favorite. He never puts his hands down. None of our bathroom drawers have any rhyme or reason to them anymore because it is just whatever Finn has taken out goes in no particular order. I have to blow dry my hair standing in between the toilet and the change table. Otherwise, Finn tries to flush the toilet while I'm blow drying my hair. Finn only had enough patience for me to do my eyebrows and to put on mascara, which is more than most days, so I'm satisfied. You know what this show is missing? A bull terrier. I find that if I don't do at least one load of dishes, sweep the floor, and do one load of laundry, it gets a little too out of hand around here. Oh yeah, and I have to work. From the time it took for me to get Finn out of his bed and get his clothes on, 5 out of the 6 people I emailed have emailed me back and need responses. And now this little guy is telling me he needs to go poo. I am at the place though that I don't know what I want to do about work. It is too difficult to do work with Finn. I can only work during his naps, and his naps are getting to be less because he's getting to be bigger. And yeah, it just takes too much concentration. And with him around, I always have my mind on him as well, and I just can't manage that. So I'm trying to figure out what to do. Either I take on more clients and then I will be able to justify putting him into daycare a few days a week, or I don't know. Unfortunately, bookkeeping is done in quarters, and usually you have to do it near the end of a month, so most of my hours are just like that, and that's hard to work with for a daycare. I'm just gonna drop my kid off today because I need a few hours, or I could go and try and find a job. But the postpartum depression really robbed me of months with my baby, and I feel robbed. And so to go back to work soon, really only a short amount of time. I've really been here with him. I've only just actually been able to manage my life so far, I just don't know if I'm ready for it. Because it's been really hard to do that. This toy has the weirdest ABC song. Oh wait. Oh. Cancel that one? The kid just loves doing laundry. Megan, what did I just catch you doing? Her face is so serious now. Finnegan was just playing in the toilet. Don't put that hand in your mouth. Finnegan, why are you so mad? Is it because your mom won't let you play in the food? Where's Finnegan? Where could he be? So we are headed into town because we have something exciting to do today. We're gonna go get Adam a truck. Hi. Alright, Toyota, to get Daddy a truck. I think we were there since 2:45. It's now 5:45. And we have the truck! Yay! Finn needs dinner and needs to go to sleep. It's been a long day, but he's been rocking it! 9 years of marriage, and Adam and I have always shared a vehicle. But we decided it was time. Adam needed a truck. So here it is. All the searching is over. Yay! You ride your new, or drive your new truck? Where is Finnegan? There he is!
Hey.
Hi! Say hi, Kaylin! I'm getting my pajamas on, going to bed!
Hey.
Pajamas on! Ugh. You know what I'm doing right now? I'm eating a Rolo. Mm-hmm.